Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you a sleep potion that will help you sleep and also help you with your dreaming as well. But before we do, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path and Tapping into Abundance. And if you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want to know where to start your Wiccan, your witchcraft practice, have a look at my free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. Sleep is important, not just for our physical health and our mental health, but it's also good for our witchery because we can get a lot of information coming from our dreams. So we need to be able to sleep in order to be able to dream. So this potion is to help you with your dreaming and to help you with your sleep so that you can feel more restored, but also tap in more to your intuition and whatever it is that your dreams are going to help bring up for you. Now, if you do have any physiological or any mental health conditions that you are seeing a therapist for or a practitioner for to help you with sleep, certainly do that and continue to do that, as none of this is meant to substitute for any professional help. It's really just here to aid you to work alongside of anything that you may already be doing. Now, what you need for this is a spray bottle. So you can get these online. They're just empty bottles and you can fill them with the oils, and I like to use witch hazel, or you can use vodka and some distilled water or purified water to make a spray. So you need one of these, a spray bottle, and you need 3 essential oils. The first one is sandalwood oil. Now, sandalwood is a beautiful oil for helping to sedate you, to calm you down, to de-stress. It's been used in many cultures to help uplift you and to connect you to spirit. And it's because it brings you down from that beta wave state into a nice alpha wave state and reduces anxiety. So if you want to go into a beautiful calm sleep where you will be able to not just be restored but also have good dreams, then sandalwood would help with the calming aspect. It's not a dream oil. It tends to work more on the non-REM aspects of sleep, but you still need to feel that restoration of having a good sleep to be able to work with your intuition awake and also asleep. So that's one of the reasons I use the sandalwood oil. It's just very relaxing and very calming. When it comes to a bottle this size, I like to put in about 20 to 30 drops of each of the oils. Sandalwood is a base note oil, so it is the scent that's going to last the longest. The next oil that I like to use is violet oil. Now, a violet oil is one of my favorites. It's a middle note oil, so the scent lasts a fair while, but it won't last as long as the sandalwood scent. It helps you with your dreaming. So violet is great for dreams. So if you want to have vivid dreams, if you want to have dreams that are really tapping into your subconscious thoughts, and even to have inspiration coming through your dreams, if you want any questions answered in a dream, which your subconscious is really good at doing, then use your violet oil blend. I put in about 20 drops of the violet oil, 20 to 30 drops of the violet oil into the bottle alongside of the sandalwood oil, and blend those two together. It's also calming, so it will help calm you, and it's got an uplifting aspect to it as well. So, but the uplifting is a calm uplifting. It's not going to wake you up. It's going to help you feel more peaceful and more calm and really help you with those dreams. And the third oil, because I usually like to use about 3, is a jasmine oil. Jasmine is used a lot for sleep. There's been a lot of research done on jasmine. There's been research done on sandalwood and violet oil when it comes to sleep. But jasmine's one of the all-time favorites. It's beautiful for reducing stress, for giving you a sense of love too, jasmine. It's associated with love potions. It can help you feel more self-love, for and just love in general. And if you're wanting to go into a very peaceful sleep, and if you're wanting to have that connection with your intuition, then having that more sense of love is really important. It helps reduce anxiety, and it helps balance the central nervous system as well. So again, we've got these calming aspects coming from the oils. I also find that jasmine's great for dreaming as well. It can give you some very good, insightful dreams. So with the jasmine oil and the violet oil working together with the dreams, you will have some very, very vivid dreams. If you want a question answered before you go to sleep, write the question down on a piece of paper, stick it under your pillow, and then use this spray. So what you're going to do is just blend all of those oils, about 20 to 30 drops of each of them, into a bottle, and then fill the bottle to about half, or a third to a half of witch hazel. So witch hazel is really to use as an alcohol, to preserve the oil basically, so that it doesn't go off. You can also use vodka or or brandy even, and then fill the rest up with distilled water or purified water, and then you've got yourself a spray. Shake it all up together, make sure it's really well blended. And if you want to use it straight away, you can, but I find the best thing to do if you are working with essential oils is if you can have a little bit of a stock on hand, so that you can give it about a month to brew. And the longer you leave it, the stronger it gets from a scent point of view. But if you want to use it straight away, you certainly can. Write down the question you want asked or answered in your dreams on a piece of paper, slip it under your pillow, and then spray your pillow with your oil blend. And then lie down and get ready to go to sleep. So whatever you do before you go to bed, do that little ritual. Ask yourself the question. You can repeat it a number of times before you go to sleep. And then when you wake up, write down any dreams or anything that you've got going on inside your head. And it's important that you do write your dreams down. Even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you've had a dream, you do need to actually write it down. You don't necessarily need to turn on all the lights to do it. You can do it in the dark. I've certainly done it in the dark. You could have a dream book that's a fair size, so that when you're writing in the dark, it can sort of fill probably the whole page and look a bit weird. But as long as you get it down, it's really important, because we forget our dreams very fast. And if you want to learn how to record your dreams or recall what you're dreaming so that you can use that information, you need to be in the habit of actually writing your dreams down and getting used to recalling them. You can just write notes. You don't have to write full sentences. You don't have to tell the story as if you're writing a book. Just write down the notes of the things that you can remember, and then you can go back to sleep. It's really important to do that, because the more you write down what you remember, the better you'll get at it, and you'll find that your dream recall will improve, and the messages that you're getting in your dreams will become clearer to you as well. If you don't understand what your dreams mean at first, that's okay. Your subconscious mind will keep trying. Every day it'll keep trying a new dream to help you get whatever the message is. So it'll use all sorts of different imagery from your past and from your present. Usually within 48 hours of you having the dream, it's usually got something to do with something that's been going on in that 48 hours. But it will help you. It'll bring up all sorts of different imagery. And if you don't get it the first time, it'll throw you something either exactly the same as a recurring dream or a recurring theme, or something a bit different to help you get it. Remember, it's all imagery with your subconscious mind, metaphors, puns. It'll use all sorts of things, numbers. It will use anything to get your attention. So let me know in the comments field how you go with that potion. If you want to learn Wicca or witchcraft with me, you certainly can do that with the Mystery Witch School 101 course. It's a 12-month course where you learn a Wiccan form of witchcraft right from the very beginning, of the practice through to learning about your sabbats, how to work with the deities, how to work with the moons, how to work magic, of course, and also the energy work and that beautiful inner work of self-knowledge that you develop along the way, which is actually really where the magic is. It's that inner work, more so than the outer stuff. If you want to learn Wicca with me, have a look at the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. The link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.